All right, y'all. Y'all in for a treat today, man. We're going to do some pastalaya. Then I'm going to bring to you a dessert all in this one video. What I need y'all to do is let me know in the comments, though, if y'all like it like this. Let me know, okay? You're going to need one whole bushel, y'all, of these here green onions, all right? So let's get down with that. Go ahead and cut them up like so. All right? Now check it out. One small yellow onion. Or if not, you ain't got one small one, just 1/2 of a medium onion, okay? Go ahead and dice that thing up, all right? You probably ain't gonna be able to do it like a professional like me. Just do the best you can, okay? All right, y'all, just go ahead on really and just dice up an onion. Like I said, one small onion, if not a small onion, 1/2 of a medium onion, okay? Go ahead on and cut up 3 sticks of celery, okay? Now go ahead, y'all. I want y'all to dice up 1/2 of red bell pepper, okay? All right, y'all. Now 1/2 of a green bell pepper, y'all. I want you to go ahead and cut that down, okay? Dice that up just like we dicing everything else up. Nothing special to it. All right, y'all. So check it out. Let's do a quick rundown on our vegetables. Go 1 small yellow onion, y'all. Dice that up. 1 whole pack of them green onions, 1/2 of green bell pepper, 1/2 of red bell pepper, and 3 stalks of celery. Now go ahead and throw that to the side. We're gonna get with the meat now. All right, y'all, now check it out. Get you 1 pound of pre-cooked sausage, okay? Not no raw sausage. And go ahead and cut it just like here, okay? Like little 1-inch chunks, okay? That's what you're looking for. And we need the whole 1 pound, all right? And make sure, like I said, make sure it's pre-cooked, y'all. Don't go getting no raw sausage, okay? All right, y'all, so check it out. You got your sausage looking like this. Just go ahead on, y'all. Let's get rid of that into a bowl, okay? Because now we're going to do some chicken breast. And I'm going to show y'all exactly how we need to get that done, okay? All right, y'all, so I want you to get you about 3 chicken breasts like this. All right, just get some of the fat off, you know what I'm saying? You ain't got to get it all off, but just get whatever you can. Then what I want you to do is just go ahead and cut it down in strips like that, okay? Show you. I'm gonna show you. This pastalaya, y'all, is really, really good. If you make it, you're gonna definitely enjoy it. Let me just show you here. Once you got your little strips like that, look, just cut little cubes, little chunks, okay? Not too small, not too big, all right? Like something like that. All right, y'all, check it out. So I'm gonna recommend like 1 pound of that smoked sausage, pre-cooked, and maybe like 1 pound to 1.5 pounds of chicken breast cubed, okay? Just like so. Let's go. All right, y'all, so you got your cast iron on your stove. You got that heated up for about a good minute. Throw you on 1/2 stick of butter. Now we got that butter, y'all, so melt it down in your skillet. Go ahead in with that chicken, okay? Chicken first, y'all. Now I want you to go ahead in there, y'all, with about 2 or 3 tablespoons of your Cajun seasoning, okay? Don't be scared to use that. You already know what it is. All right? The more you use, the better it tastes. Then I want you to get a big old teaspoon, y'all, of some onion powder, big old heaping spoon, okay? Go in with that, all right? I'll give you some nice flavor. Then I want you to go in there, y'all, with a tablespoon of your garlic, okay? Got to have that in there. That's gonna bring in a lot of flavor right there. And now you go ahead up in there, y'all, with some parsley, okay? You know, maybe a teaspoon. You ain't got to get too crazy with it. And then a little bit of that black pepper to taste. And a little bit of salt to taste, okay? However much you want. Just don't get too carried away, you know what I'm saying? Now, I want you to go ahead, y'all, and get that a good mix around. What we're trying to do, y'all, is I want to get this a nice little brown on this chicken, okay? So look, check it out, y'all. See how beautifully, man, it smells so good. We're gonna get this to a beautiful little brown coat on it, okay? Check that out. Gotta get it all mixed up, though. You look at that there. See, it ain't mixed up. You got to get it right, okay? Get everything coated real nice, y'all. I'm gonna come down to this, okay? Oh man, make a mess. And now check it out, y'all. Look at that. See that chicken here? Look. So you just cut that right up on in half. Want you to get your bowl right there like that. And just go ahead and get all that out of there, okay? Just like so. But leave that there juice in there, okay? Now y'all look, check that cast iron on right there. What I want you to do is throw in that 1 pound of pre-cooked sausage we done cut up earlier. Want you to throw that up off in there, y'all, in them juices. And then let's brown this sausage up, okay? So look, y'all. All what we trying to do, y'all, now is just get us a mix around. Don't just let it sit there and burn. But like I say, y'all, we just trying to get it to brown up a little bit, okay? So just smooth them on out like so. And I'm gonna show y'all what we do next, okay? Okay, y'all, so check it out. When you get you a nice little sear like that, I want you to go ahead and take them off. You see how I sear it up on? What I want y'all to do now is just go ahead and throw them in the bowl, okay? All right, y'all, now check it out. I want y'all to leave all of them seasonings right there in the pan. We'll go ahead and saute up all our vegetables, okay? So now we're just gonna go right up on in there and get everything sauteed up real nice, okay? So with your celery, y'all, okay? Your half of your green bell pepper, go with that. Your whole pack of your green onions, go ahead with that, okay? One small yellow onion, remember? Or a half a medium onion, go with that. And go in there with your half a red bell pepper, okay? We'll go ahead on and saute all that down. Now check this out, y'all. Look, it looks like Christmas, kind of reminds me of Christmas. But look, y'all go ahead and now add you about 1 teaspoon of olive oil, so you don't burn your vegetables, okay? While they sauteing, but just get them all mixed up on into. That's a lot of flavor that was up in this cast iron. Now, if you ain't got a cast iron, try and get you one from Walmart. They're $12. But if not, even your pan, just keep all that up off in your pan, your pot, whatever you're cooking in. Don't get rid of that. You want all that there up in you want all that seasoning, okay? Now check it out, y'all. When it's about like that, I want y'all to go on 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, okay? Then go ahead on and get that a good mix around, y'all. We getting somewhere now. Let me tell you, if y'all can smell this, man, shoo-wee. It's something serious, y'all. Okay, y'all, check it out. So the vegetables are about 70% sauteed. What I want y'all to do, y'all, is go ahead on back in there with your chicken. Okay? On top of the chicken, I want you to go up off in there with the sausage that we done seared up, okay? Now, let's go ahead on and mix all that up together, okay? Real good. All right, y'all, check it out. Now you're going to go in your skillet with 4 cups of chicken broth, okay? Just like so. All right, y'all, check it out. I want y'all to go with about 10 ounces of diced tomatoes. Like so. Then a couple of tablespoons, y'all, of some W sauce, of course. Then I want y'all to go ahead on and get that a good mix around. I want you to go in there, y'all, with 2 cups of pasta, okay? Just like so, look. Go ahead and get them all up around there, y'all. Now your skillet's starting to get a little full at this point, y'all. So take your time, get that pasta up under there. All right, y'all, so check it out. The pastalaya is going. What I want y'all to do is put it on low, let it simmer till your noodles, till your pasta's done, and most of the juice is gone. I'm gonna show y'all that, of course, what it looks like. But while that's happening, let me get to cleaning this kitchen and let's get to some dessert, okay? Let's go. All right, y'all, so while the jambalaya is cooking up and it's simmering, what I want y'all to do is now, y'all, check it out. Get yourself 2 cans of jumbo cinnamon rolls. Make sure that it's the ones that you can unroll, okay? Because some cinnamon rolls you get, they're just one piece. That ain't gonna work. And then get you some food coloring. You're gonna need purple, green, and yellow, which we're gonna consider to be gold. And just some granulated sugar, okay? And then what you're gonna do here, get your smaller baggies. All guys eat big ones, so that's what I'm gonna go with today. Let's put you some sugar on here. However much you want, you know what I'm saying? Depends how many of these you're gonna make. Look. Then take whatever color, look like you. Put you a bunch of that there purple in there because you want a nice deep purple. You want all your colors to be nice and deep on this, okay? So, go ahead and zip it on up. All right, watch. These are really good, y'all. All right, and then take it. Take both your hands out like that and just do like this, okay? And shake the bag all around, okay? And you're going to start to see it coming together. Might take you a couple minutes. And don't get too crazy because if it pops open, you're going to sugar everywhere, okay? So don't get too crazy. Look, you could just twist it up like here. Got to get it to combine, okay? And it will. It'll just take you maybe 2 or 3 minutes, okay? I'm going to show you in a second what it looks like. All right, y'all, now check it out. So look, we got some purple sugar now. You ever been down Louisiana before? You already seen the colors. It's purple, it's green, and gold, okay? Purple stands for justice. And y'all, the green that you see on the king cake, that stands for faith, okay? And then gold, y'all, that stands for power. So all my king cakes, I get them in gold, okay? No, I'm playing. All right, y'all, so check it out. This is the jumbo cinnamon rolls. These are very similar to a king cake, okay? I don't care what nobody tells you, all right? Trust me on this one. Take your 2 raggedy cinnamon rolls, y'all, look, like that. And like here. Stick them together and push them, okay? As you push them, I want you to twist them like so, all right? Just like here. Trust me, when you get down to Louisiana, if you never been down here, if you get down here, you try one, you'll see. I ain't lying to you, okay? I ain't gonna say this is to the T, 100%. And then you gotta remember something. You got different people that make different king cakes that taste different, okay? But this is gonna be the closest thing you're gonna get to a real king cake right now, okay? Even us, because they ain't got king cakes all year long. So this is what you do. And like I say, they're really, really good, okay? Now check it out. If you wanted to go with 3 of these instead of 2, y'all, you know, you could braid it up just like they do a king cake. They go ahead and braid them up sometimes. And not all king cakes, but some. And listen, 2 jumbo packs of cinnamon rolls, y'all, is going to get you 5 king cakes, okay? So you know, like that. So check it out. So here's the king cakes. They're ready to go in the oven. The oven's been preheating at 350 degrees. Go ahead and throw them up in there for, say, about 8 minutes or so. Let's go. All right, y'all. So about the time we got the king cakes wrapped up and thrown in the oven, the pastalaya was done. Go ahead and show them what it looks like. This is what you want your end result to look like, guys. Okay? Look. Like that, okay? It ain't dry, but it ain't got no whole liquid in it either. Look. Just like that. All right, y'all. Now either get the end of a baggie, or if you got piping bags, go ahead and go with that. And put both of your icings in that bag, okay? Because we're going to need that right about now. Now just go ahead and cut the little tip off. You see how it's coming out? Look, squeeze it tight, okay? And look, just like here, so. Now look, let them cool down. They ain't got to get cold, but just let them cool down, okay? And I want you to do just like here, okay? Look, boom. And every 2, I want you to do the sugars, okay? Don't wait, because if the icing gets hard, the sugar's not going to stick to it, okay? So I'm going to show you what I'm talking about right now, okay? Look, get your purple here. Boom. It's going to make a little mess now. I ain't going to lie to you. Put you some purple. Put some green. Okay. Like so. And of course your gold. Okay. Look. Boom. Do not wait. Don't put the icing in y'all on all of them and then come back to do the sugar, because it ain't going to stick. All right. Trust me on that. So then go back. Look. Purple. Don't matter. You know what I'm saying? Which spot, how much you do. A little more purple, a little more green. It's all good. Then go with your green. Okay. I'll show you how to do the icing one more time. Look, y'all, just go back and forth, okay? After this one, just go ahead on and continue the process. Look. All right, y'all, so we got the pastalaya. It's absolutely delicious. We got the king cake. Ain't nothing to do now but enjoy it, okay? All right, y'all. And check out the king cake. I mean, let me tell you something. They absolutely delicious for sure. They're a little bit messy. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, because you got all that sugar on top, but they good. All right, y'all, so we made some pastalaya. It's absolutely delicious. King cakes, you already know what it is. If y'all like the video, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave me a comment what you want to make next. Later.